Did you know a school bus driver in Cleveland kept 3 women chained in his basement for over 10 years while his neighbors thought he was just a normal guy? Ariel Castro looked like any other dad driving kids to school. But behind his front door was a house of horrors that would shock the world. Between 2002 and 2004, Castro kidnapped 3 women. First Michelle Knight, then Amanda Berry, then Gina DeJesus. All were teenagers when he lured them into his car and drove them to his house on Seymour Avenue. For over a decade, he kept them chained in his basement. Amanda even gave birth to his daughter while trapped inside. Then on May 6, 2013, everything changed. Castro left the house and forgot to lock the front door properly. Amanda heard neighbors outside and screamed through a crack in the door. A neighbor kicked down the door and freed all 3 women. Castro faced 977 charges, including rape and murder, for forcing miscarriages. He got life in prison, but killed himself just 1 month later.